Kirchhoff's second law. First law is the Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's second law. Kirchhoff's second law or Kirchhoff's voltage law. It is simply called as KVL. It is simply called as KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. In any closed circuit, the algebraic sum of product of the current at resistance in each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF in a current. In a closed circuit, in any closed circuit, the algebraic sum of product of current at resistance, where the resistance present in a circuit in each part of the circuit is equal to the EMF in a current. EMF is nothing but electromotive force that also we observed in terms of the voltage only. In other words, the Kirchhoff's voltage law is stated by in any closed network, the total EMF is zero. The total EMF is zero. The KVL states like in any closed network the total EMF is zero. That means mathematical expression for this is sigma EMF is equals to 0. Sigma EMF is equals to 0. And also sigma IR. IR means voltage. V is equals to IR. According to the Ohm's law. V is equals to IR. So voltage is also considered to EMF, electromotive force of an circuit. So that's why sigma IR plus sigma EMF is equals to 0. That's why sigma IR is equals to sigma EMF. Sigma IR is equals to sigma EMF. Here minus plus there is a voltage we observed in terms of positive voltage. So that's why sigma IR is equals to sigma EMF. We observed in a circuit. Let us consider a circuit. Resistance R1, resistance R3, R1, R3, R2, voltage V1, positive negative is applied to this mesh 1, voltage V2 is applied to the mesh 2, V1, V2. The current passing through the mesh 1 is considered as an I1. Let it be I1. For the mesh 2 current, I2. I1, I2. Let us consider a circuit in which two voltages. What are the two voltages? V1 and V2. V1, V2 are connected along with the three resistors R1, R2 and R3. Here named is at nodes A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E. How many meshes are there? A, B, C, D, E, F. All these are, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here how many meshes are there? Two meshes. One is A, B, C, D. Second one is B, E, F, C. ABCD is the one mesh, BEFC is the another mesh of this circuit. So that's why here the circuit consists of the two meshes only. Apply KVL loop. We discussed about the KVL only now. So that's we apply KVL for which loop? A, taking a first mesh, ABCD mesh, apply KVL for A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A loop, for this loop. Here V1. What is the KVL? Sigma EMF is equals to 0. Sigma EMF is equals to 0. Here first V1 is applied. V1. Here the current is passed like this. The current is passed from the V1, positive of the V1. So that's why we consider minus I1. When the current will be passed from the positive of the voltage. Current can be passed from the positive of the voltage. The current considered as an I1. Minus I1. The current passed through the resistor R1. Minus R1. V1 minus I1 R1. I1 R1 is nothing but a voltage across the R1. Voltage across the R1. Voltage across the R1. I1 R1. Next, minus. Here I1 is passed again R2. So minus I1 R2. Minus I1 R2. We consider here minus I1 no direction. So I2 is also passed in the R2. I2 is also passed in the R2 in opposite direction. I2 is also passed in the opposite direction. So that's why we consider plus I2 R2. Plus I2 R2. V1. Here total EMF, algebraic total EMF is equals to 0. So that's first V1 voltage V1. From the positive of the voltage, the current will be passed. So that's why that current should be considered as a minus I1. Minus I1. Minus I1 R1. Minus I1 R2. Again I2 is also passed through the resistor R2. So that's why plus I2 R2 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Here V1 we common minus I1 R1 plus R2 plus I2 R2 is equals to 0. I2 R2 is equals to 0. But we get V1 is equals to here minus, that will comes I1 R1 plus R2 positive. Here plus in LHS side, in RHS side it goes to minus R2 I2. This is the V1. Applying KVL to the mesh 1. Next, another example in this circuit only. Apply KVL for mesh 2. For mesh 2 we get which loop? BEFCB. BEFCB. This is the another loop. BEFCB. Here voltage is V2. Voltage is V2. Here the current is passed. The current is passed from the negative of the voltage. From the negative of the voltage. The current I2 will be passed here from the negative of the voltage. So that's why we consider positive I2. Positive I2. Positive I2 R2. Positive I2 R2. And next, positive I2 R3. Positive I2 R3. In the R2, I1 also passed, no? In the R2, I1 also passed. So here we consider I2 as positive. I1 is opposite direction. So we consider We take I1 as a minus I1 R1 is equals to 0. Minus I1 R1 is equals to 0. Next, V2 is equals to here minus R1 I1 R1, so we get RHS side I1 R1. V2 is equals to I1 R1. Here plus, so I take minus both I2 taken as common, R2 plus R3. This is the V2. We get V2. Applying KVL for the loop of the second mesh. It is the V1. Apply KVL of the mesh 1 ABCD for the loop ABCDA. KVL apply for loop. Here also we consider as this is the loop, but mesh is ABCD only. This is the KVL, Kirchhoff's second law or Kirchhoff's voltage law.